Good evening, Colorado. Starting you off with your Chamber of Commerce camera up in Woodland Park. I wanted to show Teller County first and foremost because they're one of the spots that are under winter weather advisory starting early tomorrow morning. The snow hasn't started falling yet, but your advisories start at 5 a.m. tomorrow, and then they carry over into Tuesday morning, I believe. Most of the advisories up in central Colorado expire at 11 a.m. Tuesday morning. So Colorado Springs, we're not under a winter weather advisory, but Kit Carson County is. There's winter storm warnings in the higher elevation of the Sangres, as they could be seeing up over a foot of snow and 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts through Monday and into Tuesday. Excuse me there. But the San Luis Valley, no advisories or warnings, but the San Juan's winter storm warnings as well. So if you're traveling up Wolf Creek Pass, you're going to hit some nasty winter weather through the day tomorrow. Current radar shot, the only spot getting any precipitation right now as far as southern Colorado. All of this moisture will track into central Colorado by early tomorrow morning. So most commuters, if you're out and about by, say, 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow, you'll be getting the initial snow flurries, but really minimal snow accumulation on the ground for Colorado Springs commuters tomorrow morning. But then by your Tuesday morning, it'll be a little bit more dicey. Here's your temperatures right now, low 40s out in La Junta. Keep these temperatures in mind in the southeast as you're only getting into the high 20s overnight tonight, so you'll struggle to drop below freezing. So a lot of the precipitation that does fall across Highway 50 could start off as rain, then change over to snow at some point tomorrow morning, and that's exactly what you see on the Futurecast. Some snow flurries in Huerfano County on I-25, Trinidad, also rain-snow mix in your forecast. Colorado Springs by 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, more or less just low stratus clouds, but then we'll develop with those snow chances by early tomorrow afternoon. By your 3 o'clock, I do anticipate snow falling for a good portion of us through the Palmer Divide. And what's most concerning about these snowfall totals through our Monday afternoon, Monday evening forecast is the wind direction. So notice these are southeasterly winds, if not just straight easterly winds into Colorado Springs. So what that does is it makes for upflow or upslope flow. So that's going to be lifting the air parcel and actually more conducive of heavy snowfall totals in Colorado Springs. A lot of times with our systems around El Paso County, we get them dropping in from the north, and that's downslope. We don't see a whole lot of snow, but with the easterly winds, we could actually see a couple inches of snow accumulate relatively quickly. And these darker shades of blue, indicated by 9 p.m. on our Futurecast, is moderate to heavy snowfall chances. A break for Tuesday morning, and then by our Tuesday night forecast, another round of snow. But on Tuesday, the direction of the moisture will be coming from the north, so downsloping into Colorado Springs. So the best chance for heavy snowfall for us is Monday night into our Tuesday morning, not so much Tuesday night's forecast. Okay, a quick run through of all of our snowfall totals. So I'm going to show 3 different computer model runs. Where your BAMS, which is a high resolution model, is about 6.5 in Colorado Springs, 2.5 in Canyon City, close to 4 in Salida. More of a medium range model run, our NAM, 1.5 inches by tomorrow afternoon in the Springs, with only up to about 4.5. So it is varying. The 6.5-inch mark, that's on the very higher end of things. GFS is only going about 1.5 inches to 2 inches total through this entire event. So it's 6.5 at the very maximum if everything sets up properly in Colorado Springs, and it's possible we only get 1 inch or 2 as well, depending over the next 24 hours. So of course there's a lot of variables in this forecast, and make sure to stay tuned to updates through the evening tonight and into your Monday morning. Canyon City, you're sitting at about 35 degrees for your Monday afternoon. Snow showers continuing for Tuesday, then 37 degrees by your Wednesday forecast. Pueblo at 34 degrees for tomorrow, and snow is likely, but your accumulation in Pueblo is looking quite minimal. It's much more likely we'll see about 2 to 5 inches through Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning in Colorado Springs. Jen?
A lot